This video is sponsored by Sephora Collection. Starting off with a clean face, I'm wiping off any dirt or oils with the Sephora Collection cleansing wipes, and these are the cucumber ones, and these just will refresh my face and get it ready for some makeup. Also, don't forget to moisturize. Today I'm using the Tatcha, the water cream, and it's my current favorite moisturizer, and I'm just prepping my face. You have to moisturize, so be sure to do that before you apply anything like primer. So today I'm using the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer as well as the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas, and these two are my current favorites. It just gets my skin super smooth and ready for all the face makeup later on. Then of course I'm starting off with my eyebrows, and today I'm using the Sephora Collection Bow Brow, and this is the easiest brow product you'll ever use, and I thought I'd use it today because it creates a really nice natural brow look, and it kind of just goes along with your shape. I'm, as you can see, just coloring in my natural shape and blending it all out with a spoolie. And if you have like nice sparse brows in the front, it's easy to just shape up the eyebrows with this product. And I'm cleaning up with the Sephora Collection Bright Future Concealer, which I also love for concealing your brows, covering up. It's a lovely combo, and I really like how my eyebrows turned out today, so please be proud of me. Thank you so much. And I'm blending out with a Sephora Collection brush as well. All the tools I'll be using and all the products I'll be using will be listed and linked down below. Then to set the eyebrows, I'm using the Sephora Collection Brow Gel in Clear. Now for foundation, today I'm using the Sephora Collection Matte Perfection Full Coverage Foundation, and I am in the shades 29 and 31. I definitely could have used a shade in between these two because there are 22 shades in this collection, but I thought this combo kind of like gave me the warmth and color I wanted. So I'm blending that out with a brush before I blend it all out with a sponge. I kind of like using the two tools recently, like it just helps me blend out my foundation really nicely, and I love the finish of this foundation. It's super easy to blend out. I just take my time though, so don't mind me, but it's a lovely matte finish and it doesn't dry out my skin, which I love. Then I'm taking my Sephora Collection Bright Future Concealer again to conceal under my eyes and my nose and on any other blemishes. Then to set my makeup, I am using the Sephora Collection Beauty Amplifier Pressed Setting Powder, and I'm just applying this under my eyes and on my T-zone because those are the areas that I get oily most, so I just want to like tame that by doing so. Then to top it all off, I'm using the Sephora Collection Beauty Amplifier Set and Refresh Spray just to set everything. Now, to warm up my face, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer on the perimeter of my face, so in the hollows of my cheeks, on my jaw, on my forehead, and around my nose, just so then I can bring back some color into my face. And I'm also using some blush to bring that back. I'm using the Sephora Collection Contour Blush Palette, and by the way, I'll put all the shades and names of all the products down below as well, if you guys want to check out that. But I'm applying the blush across my cheeks and my nose for the more rosy look for the winter time. Then for highlight today, I'm using the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette, and I'm taking the champagne kind of shade and applying it to the cheekbones and on my brow bones and also on my nose to, glow. Then to begin our eye makeup, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer to get our eyelids ready for makeup. And now I'm taking the Huda Beauty The New Nude Eyeshadow Palette to apply my, eyeshadows. So the very first shade is a more rosy color, and that's going all over the eyelid. And then I'm blending a more lighter mauve shade into the crease to create a very nice one eyeshadow look. And to top it all off, I'm using a purple shimmery shade, and I'm blending that all out with my fingers, so then it creates a nice wet eyeshadow look, kind of like the illusion. And now I'm just applying a little bit of a bronzy shade onto my lower lash line for some dimension, but that's pretty much for the eyeshadow. It's super simple. I'm now gonna curl my eyelashes, apply mascara, pop on some lashes, and that's pretty much it. It's a lovely look, and it kind of goes along with the angel look we're going for today. But if you guys want to amp up this look a little more, I'm taking my Sephora Collection Colorful Contour 12-Hour eye pencil, and I'm taking a brown shade to kind of wing out the look. I would do this with black eyeliner, but I thought the brown just looked really nice and subtle, but also very pretty. And I'm taking a brush as well to kind of blend it out and make it look even more natural, but I highly suggest trying this out. It looks so cute, so yeah, I know. Now onto the main event. We are doing glossy lips today, and the first option I have to share with you guys are the Sephora Collection Melting Lip Clicks, and these come in 10 beautiful shades, and they have a more balmy shine. They're not too high shine or too much of anything. It's a very comfortable lipstick oil hybrid, and I love these for every day. It's so moisturizing, and I highly suggest checking them out. These are kind of some of my favorite shades to wear that I'm trying on right now. But for option number 2, we have the brand new Sephora Collection Rouge Gel Sheer Lip Crayons, and these also come in 10 shades, and this is a more natural shine for anyone that goes for the more no makeup look. These are beautiful, but it comes in a lot of different shades for you guys to check out. And I thought this was a more nice base. You guys will see later on that I kind of do a combo of my two favorite products here. But now moving on to third option, and actually my favorite option. This is the Sephora Collection Colorful Gloss Balm, and these come in a whopping 24 shades, and these are high shine, my favorite, and I love lip gloss. They're super nourishing, and it's very comfortable. These are not sticky at all, and these are kind of some of my favorite shades. I also love the clear one, but for my combo today, I'm using the Rouge Gel Sheer Lip Crayon and the Colorful Gloss Balm. I will put the shades and everything, of course, down below, but I'm doing this combo today because I thought it looked beautiful for this makeup look. And yeah, that tops off the whole entire look, and I think it's just like the perfect finish for our angelic baby makeup look today.
I ain't really worried about nothing. All these people all around me always worry about something, yeah. Saying I should stay up in the books and not start to build a buzz, but they the ones bugging, yeah.
I hope you guys get a chance to try out this look. I will list all of the lovely lip options from Sephora Collection down below, as well as the new Sephora Collection Matte Perfection Foundation, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties!
Saying I should stay up in the books and not start to build a buzz, but they the ones bugging, yeah. So I don't really feel like staying. I don't really feel like playing. Quit fucking with the plans. A couple young kids, while I'm gigs, not rich, taking money on the one-way trip, yeah.